So let's take a look. Let's pretend like your country is Argentina. What you'll need to do is you'll need to delete all the countries above Argentina. Just click and drag, highlight. You can right click here, and there's an option here where you can delete. So just delete those, and then come down here, and you can just scroll on down through all the countries. You clear to the bottom, delete all of those. That's fine. Even that last line of totals there, you can delete. Now you've got Argentina here, and you've got the country. There's a little shortcut here. If you hit Shift, and then your arrow keys will highlight for you. So I'm going to go Shift down, and then I start going over. But if you keep holding Shift and hit Control with the Shift, and then to the right, it's going to jump all the way to the end. I don't need these last few. These aren't necessary. I'm now going to let go. I'm going to copy that. Control-C copies. I just put my left arrow there to get back to the beginning. And then Control-V, paste. But we don't want to do a Control-V. We want to do this one right here. We want to transpose. And you see when you transpose, it's going to turn your data for you so that you can now highlight. Again, I'm going to use that Shift, Control, hold that down and the down arrow. I can highlight all the data through April 22nd. I can copy that, Control-C, and then paste it into my other spreadsheet. So let me know if you have any questions.